I am back and I am currently at Walmart, and we about to go in the store and grab some stuff for my backdrop, like I said, and stuff for the pictures that I'm gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, I need to get some lashes too, but I might just do my own lashes, so we gonna see what's going on. So see y'all in the store. I had lost my journal in Kroger. It's Thanksgiving Eve, so I haven't got my journal yet, and I think it's like 2 days after Thanksgiving. But whatever. We finna go down this aisle. These sweaters is live already, so I could do a pink intro and do this with some tights, with some white tights, like some. I probably can see if they got some white, like clear, not clear. Why can't I talk? Am I just high? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Is this cute? I don't know if this cute though. Like this won't be cute for like an outfit. No! They got, oh my gosh. So should I get this one and not that one? Which one y'all think I should get? Should I get the green? But y'all, it got hoodies on it too, y'all. They got hoodies on it too. And this one got a hoodie on it too. But which one do y'all think? Which one do y'all think I'm gonna pick? The elf or the Santa Claus? Which one y'all think? Let's see if my size is here. I think I want like an extra small probably. Oh, they even got some right here. So they got small right here. I'm gonna do a red lip and everything, y'all. So I decided that I'm gonna get this one. So y'all, I spoke too soon. They do have an extra small, and I think I'm gonna get an extra small so that it can be more, you know, tighter and stuff, you know, snug, because I'm a little fat. So I might put a waist trainer on too. You never know. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. So since I got that, I need to find something for like the backdrop. So we're gonna go like, they got these, look at these sweatpants. Look at those sweatpants, y'all. That would have been lit though, if it would have had this and it would have had like some other Disney stuff. But cause what is this? I mean, it's some good stuff, but who cares? This is cute too. Hey y'all, so I thought something real genius. Like, so why am I thinking I can do wrapping paper, and instead of the white backdrop, I can do wrapping paper and then just put it on my wall in my floor. So yeah, I'm trying to decide on if I want to get this with, you know, the dress, because I could have got the green one with the Grinch if I was gonna get that. Or should I do this? This is another friendly reminder. It will be closing in 15 minutes. Please be working your way. We got Santa Claus and we got this snowman. Cool. So I'm gonna get snowman. And yeah. Y'all, the kids done broke the damn thing. Oh, it's right here. So, oh, what the fuck?
Why didn't somebody tell me my ass was so big?
That's done deal. That's done deal. So, I am about to go look for some ruffle socks in the women's. Oh, look at this. They got Mama Bear. This is cute. I wonder if they got Doggy Bear. I'm just saying. So, I got my stuff. And hopefully tomorrow is when I'm returning for this vlog or whatever. But hopefully I got my stuff, and hopefully I'm able to do my photo shoot that I want to do. So if I see y'all tomorrow, or if I see y'all when I get home, whichever one, y'all see what I got. I only got 3 items. I got my outfit for the my photo shoot, and I got the backdrop that I think I'm gonna use probably for, like, I might do a white sheet on the floor, and then that Santa Claus backdrop for the other, you know, whatever. I can actually post pictures too on my Instagram, so that'd be fun, and I can make TikToks and stuff like that. So hopefully that go right. But this is a journey for me for sure. a new journey for me for sure. I want to say, because I got all my stuff. It is cold outside, but I don't care about I honestly do not care about the cold. I can stand the cold, honestly. It's not that serious. But I got my outfit and I got the backdrop, and I'm gonna see y'all either tomorrow when I'm doing my stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all later. This is such a journey, and I hope y'all like my video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is definitely the start, and it ain't the finish, and it's gonna be lit. So make sure y'all come with me. I might call y'all Mrs. I might call y'all Miss Girl and Miss Boy. Hey Miss Girl, hey Miss Boy. Hey Miss Girl and Mr. Boy. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So y'all my Mr. Miss and Mrs.
Boy, if you don't get
Mrs. and Misters, we gonna see. Mrs. and Mrs. That's what y'all gonna be. Mrs. and Misters. That's what y'all gonna be. So I hope y'all like my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at DayRiotDime, and also on TikTok at _OO_Diamond. See y'all later. Hey y'all, it's your girl, and I am back, as y'all can see. And today and right now, well, we're not gonna sit today because y'all seen that so I got, well, y'all know I got glasses, so it don't matter. But don't mind the glare of my glasses, blah blah. I gotta see, your girl is blind, so therefore she gotta see some way. And I ain't got glasses on, so yeah. But we are about to make some cookies. No, don't mind me because I'm a mess, but I'm about to warm my Chipotle up and eat my cookies. As y'all can see, I look a mess, so I don't really want to be on camera right now because I need my lashes done. I need my eyebrows done and stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all like this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you also follow my socials. Hey y'all, it's your girl Diamond, and I am back with another video. And today, it is currently 9:04, and I need to get out the house. But before we start this video, of course y'all seen me go to Walmart and stuff yesterday, and I made cookies last night. I'm also going to, I got hair school to go to. Got to go to cosmetology school, and I'm currently late, so hold on. Currently late because I got stuck on the toilet. Do not mind my hair. I have to go to cosmetology school, and I'm late right now, so apparently we gonna make it there late, but that don't matter because at least we showed up, you know. Hopefully today they don't give me any clients or nothing like that. But look, I'm here for a reason, so give me the clients. Let me get all the clients y'all want. Honestly don't care. But yeah, my car is not starting. I feel like it's because it's so cold out here. Like, 1 second. Y'all say hi to Lila. So apparently I'm not at school yet. I still gotta charge this or whatever. But say hi to the people, Lila. Say hi. We gonna try to fix my car because I need to go to school. I'm gonna stop at AutoZone to see if it's whatever you wanna do. You put red on red. Then black on black. connection. So hopefully it's charging my battery. I don't like this shit, you know. But this is the stuff that you have to go through with a car. And I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of ignored that. Well, I keep forgetting. I'm not gonna say I ignored it. But I keep forgetting to charge. Not even just to charge my car, but to go get my battery charged and look back. Hey y'all, so I'm at AutoZone and I'm getting my
Esta es la seguridad de Interface, monitoreando y grabando toda la actividad en esta localidad usando audio y video en vivo.
Hey y'all, so I am at Dollar Tree with Lindsay and we done went through the line like 3 times because I keep forgetting stuff. So we got, so I didn't show y'all the idea that I wanted to do as far as like the boxes and the photo shoot stuff. But we got boxes and we about to make this little, what we gonna call it? Gift? Stacks of gifts? Yeah. We gonna make stacks of gifts, so. They need. See how when we get to school. What do they need? I'm recording you, Lindsay. I'm recording you.
Why you record me? Let me record you.
You ain't going nowhere.
The arts, the crafts.
We stole some boxes from Dollar Tree. And I got tape and
Wrapping paper. Here go the broomstick. And I have another box in my arm. And now we're about to go to Chipotle to get food. Bye, guys.
Hey y'all, so we back and I should put my microphone on. Hey y'all, so I'm about to do my makeup. Don't mind this little light in there. Let's see. A little higher. It's not no better, but I'm about to do my makeup real quick just for the shoot. And then, yeah, my hair is a mess, but it's not gonna be like this when I get home. So I am back, and as y'all can see, I look like a clown right now.
Boy, if you don't get.
But I'm back from school. I was at school, you know. I had to do some makeup hours, and I did my makeup while I was there. I just did my little face beat or whatever. Say hi to Daisha because she's gonna help me with this photo shoot idea. So yeah, say hi to Daisha. Yeah, she a little slow. She a little slow. This way. Don't bang your head. Don't bang your head.
No, you probably took over there with you.
Hey y'all, so my makeup is done, as y'all can tell. Tell me if I look like a clown or not. But I'm about to, me and Daisha about to get ready. Well, stay tuned for, well, make sure, by the time I post this video already gonna be dropped. Make sure y'all go watch my road trip video in Atlanta. I'm dropping it now, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn your bell notification button on because I'm the shit. You want to be the shit right with me. So, yeah. This is what I'm gonna have in the thing. I messed it up trying to bring it in the house because I gotta put the bowls. I gotta put the bowls back on there and stuff. We about to set this stuff up though. Me and Daisha about to set the little stuff up. We're gonna do it. Should I move that TV and do it right there?
What? Be normal, bro. Come on.
So we are going to. What was I talking about? Oh, we about to set my stuff up. I'm gonna move this TV and we're gonna do it right here on this wall right here. So yeah, I gotta find my earrings that I just had. I think I need to just put my glasses on. Dang. So I found the earrings, and it's these earrings that I was gonna wear for my birthday, but I didn't even get to wear my.
Show them again.
These that I had bought for my birthday, but I didn't wear them. What? And this is, hold on. I think I need some.
You need what?
Hold on. Tell me if y'all like the makeup. This hurt.
Beauty hurts. Okay, and cut. So she's about to start decorating. Well, we're about to start decorating the wall. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, shake it, shake it, jump into the floor, jump into the floor. All right, cut.
So, as y'all can see, I got a two-sided wrapping paper, and we're gonna put this on the wall. So my idea was for this to be on the floor like that, and this to be on the wall like this. Okay. Get it? But do you think that's gonna go with the?
Probably not.
But I feel like it kind of will.
It kind of is.
Hey y'all, so I'm back and I have on my Christmas outfit and we have my little backdrop right here over there, right, oh, ouch, ouch, right over here, my little setup. And yeah, hey y'all, so your girl is basically taking her pictures and I have Lila here with me and she have her jingle bell thing on, but this is basically the setup right here. I wish I had a camera that I could actually take pictures on, but this'll do for now. Tell me if y'all like the makeup. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not like a glam that I go for. It's like the old glam that I'm reminding myself of what I used to do, and it was a shitty job, so I don't know. We're just gonna see how they come out. Hope y'all like this actual light. Yeah. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I'm right here and this is the setup. Come here, Lila.
And here's Lila again.
And here's Lila. Yeah, tell me how y'all like it. Hopefully my pictures come out good and nice and stuff like that. But happy Vlogmas.
Cut. Lila's not cooperating, but yeah. Look at her. Picture her in the back.
Y'all, I am happy. It's time to rip it down. It's time.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream. Ah, there's squirrels in my pants. Lila, look at Lila. She overprotective.